Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to hide a page here on Wix. Okay. It could be you're trying to hide it because you're still building it, or maybe you want to add something in it. Well, this video is for you. Okay. So as you can see here, I'm currently under portfolio or the portfolio page. Now to hide this, first up, go to your editor. Okay. Now go to the left panel and go head over to pages and menu. Click. And here, as you can see, I am currently under portfolio. Just make sure that you click on site menu. Okay. Portfolio right here, click on three dots and just click on hide from menu. Okay. Click on it. And then once done, it will be gone. The second one that you need to do is just go ahead over to the three dots, click on it. Now go ahead over to SEO. Okay. Click on it. Now make sure that you scroll all the way down and disable this option. Let search engines index this page so that this URL right here will not end up in the internet. Okay, that's basically how you do it. You can now go ahead and share the link for testing or publish it. Okay, now if you want to get it back, go ahead over to the left panel once more, pages and menu, site menu, portfolio, click on three dots, show. And that's basically how you do it, right? That's how you hide a page here on Wix. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.